Our goal today is to help you streamline your hair care routine with top quality products that you can use every day. We'll cover everything from shampoos and conditioners to styling products that suit different hair types and needs. We all know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right hair products. With so many options on the market, it's tough to know which ones are actually effective and worth the investment. Plus, everyone's hair is unique, requiring different care. That's where we come in. We've tested and selected the best hair products for daily use that cater to a variety of hair types and concerns. Whether you need hydration, volume, frizz control, or shine, these products are designed to make your hair care routine simple and effective. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care, and I've got some must-have recommendations for you. Whether you're a busy professional, a student on the go, or just someone who loves to pamper their locks, this video is all about the best hair products for daily use. Let's start with the basics: shampoo and conditioner. Your hair care routine starts here, and choosing the right duo can make all the difference. First up, we've got the Shea Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. This combo is perfect for all hair types. It's sulfate-free, packed with natural ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile, and leaves your hair feeling soft and hydrated. Plus, the subtle scent is just divine. One of the things I love about this product is how it gently cleanses without stripping away natural oils. It's great for keeping your hair healthy and shiny every day. Next, let's talk about Deep Conditioner. The Redken All Soft Conditioner Leave-In Miracle Treatment is a game changer. If you're someone who struggles with tangles or dry ends, this is your new best friend. It's lightweight, doesn't weigh your hair down, and provides heat protection if you're styling with hot tools. Plus, it smells amazing. For those of you looking to add a little extra shine and smoothness, the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum is a must-have. Just a few drops of this serum work wonders in taming frizz and adding a glossy finish. This serum is perfect for all hair types and can be used on damp or dry hair. It's especially great for those of you with curly or wavy hair, as it helps define and enhance your natural texture. And if you're someone who loves a good hair mask, you can't go wrong with the Arvazalia Hydrating Argan Oil Hair Mask and Deep Conditioner. It's a weekly treat that your hair will thank you for. This mask is rich in nutrients and gives your hair that deep nourishment it needs. After just one use, you'll notice your hair feels softer and looks more vibrant. So, there you have it, our top picks for the best hair products for daily use. These essentials will keep your hair looking fabulous and feeling healthy, no matter your hair type or routine. Remember, the key to great hair is consistency and using the right products that work for you. To sum it up, great hair doesn't have to be complicated. With the right products, you can achieve beautiful, healthy hair every day. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details on the products we've mentioned. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty tips and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.